Long ago, in a land of fertile fields and towering stone walls, there stood a kingdom admired by all. Its people slept without fear, its markets overflowed with trade, and at the center of it all sat King Aldric, a ruler known for justice and strength. King Aldric was not born cruel. He listened to counsel, rewarded honesty, and believed deeply in order. Beside him stood Elric, his advisor, whose loyalty had never wavered.
One winter, rumors of a food shortage spread. The truth was troubling, but manageable. Yet King Aldric feared panic, so he chose comfort over truth.
"There is no shortage," he declared. "The kingdom is strong." The people believed him. Even Elric fell silent, hoping the lie would remain harmless.
Weeks passed. Food prices rose. Mara, a simple woman, watched her family ration their meals. Confusion spread, but trust in the king remained. When questioned again, the king lied once more. What began as protection slowly became fear. Fear of admitting wrong.
Elric finally warned him, "A lie grows teeth, your majesty. It will bite." But the king dismissed him. When storehouses emptied and hunger screamed louder than words, the people realized the truth had been hidden from them. The kingdom did not fall from invasion. It fell from silence, pride, and dishonesty.
King Aldric sat alone on his throne, still a king by title, but no longer by trust.
He finally understood. Honesty may wound once, but lies bleed forever.
History teaches us this: a lie told to protect power destroys it. Trust, once broken, is rarely repaired. If this story spoke to you, like the video, share it, and comment. Would you choose truth, even when it's uncomfortable?